In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Slides to Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a presentation from Google Drive into your Canva project so you can edit, redesign, and share it with ease. Start by opening Canva and heading to the Projects area. If you're on the home page, click Projects in the left sidebar to open the space where all your folders, uploads, and imported files live. This is where your Google Slides deck will land once we bring it in. On the right side of the project screen, look for the plus icon. Click that to reveal your creation options. Instead of starting a new design, choose Import. This tells Canva you want to bring in an existing file rather than create one from scratch. Next, select Google Drive as the source. Canva will show you connected locations, and Google Drive is the one we want for a slides deck. If you see any prompts, simply follow them so Canva can access the files in your drive. This is only to locate your presentation. You're not making changes to the original file in Google Slides. Inside the Google Drive picker, you can scroll through your folders to browse. If you have a lot of files, save time by using the search field and typing the name of your slides presentation. Clear, specific names make this faster, so it helps if your deck has a recognizable title. When you see the correct presentation appear, click it to select it. Double check that it's the right file, especially if you keep multiple versions. Then click Import to begin the transfer. Canva will start processing the deck. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this may take a moment, which is normal. Once the import finishes, the presentation will appear in your projects. Open it to review. Each Google Slides slide becomes a page in Canva ready for editing. Most text, images, and layouts come through cleanly. Keep in mind that animations, some transitions, and certain fonts may not carry over exactly. If a font isn't available, Canva substitutes a similar one, so take a quick pass to confirm spacing and styling look right. From here, you can replace images, adjust colors to match your brand, and use Canva's elements and templates to elevate your design. If the deck includes charts or icons, verify they imported at a crisp resolution, and consider swapping any fuzzy assets with Canva's vector elements for sharper results. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Google Slides deck into Canva, and you're ready to polish and share.